Hi, in this video I'm going to be comparing the 3D printed flywheel that I designed to a more traditional machined aluminum reel. And this reel that I designed, it's a adjustable disc drag system, and you adjust the drag by turning this knob here, and you can tighten it as much as you want, and then you'll get like a real stiff drag. But however tight it is, it's really smooth drag, and yeah, it has a real nice retrieve also. And as you can see, this reel, it also mounts really solidly onto my rod. And if you were to compare that performance to a reel like this, then this reel, it's maybe marginally smoother drag and retrieve. However, if you look at the price points, a reel like this would cost about $120, and the reel that I designed, I was able to build and assemble for right around $10. So to get comparable performance at those two vastly different price points is pretty remarkable.